This is a Mark's Factory dApp created with Markdown for requesting and fulfilling payments on the Ethereum network. Now the user inputs are empty. We can preset the values and write down the address that will receive the Ether, the value in Ether, and we can see the equivalent in Wei here. We can set a suggested gas limit amount, 35,000, and a suggested gas price in Gwei. And we can set a payment reason. Now, if we click this QR code button, we get a QR code for an URL which contains the IPFS hash of this mark along with the input values. And we can send this payment request to anyone. We can click on the QR code image and the URL will be copied to clipboard and we can paste that in a chat. Now, when they load the URL in a page, they see all these inputs filled in already, and they just need to press the pay button. We can see the price set and the gas limit. And this is the transaction hash. We can also see the entire receipt. Done.